Online exchange class with Nara Primary School.
ソゲリ小学校に来ました。Mikam lo Sogeri Primary School now.
Today, lo Sogeri Primary School, igat online cultural exchange program. One time sematin lo disra school na Wampra Primary School lo Japan. Mikam na making interview lo Oltupra teacher, Japanese volunteer na class teacher.
We have an online exchange class with Narayama Primary School and the Osaka Expo team. The New Guinea Island and Goroka groups perform their traditional dances, helping deepen cultural understanding between Papua New Guinea and Japan. 6 students will visit Osaka Expo on July 21st. This online exchange class is very helpful in fostering global citizenship.
With today's session, I think those students who took part, they really enjoyed. The online exchange class, they were learning about their cultures. Japanese students would talk about the culture in their country and Papua New Guineans. So it was a very good experience and I hope it will continue for the next years.
Today's online exchange class, I really enjoyed the way the teachers did the drums and dance, and I really loved that. Thank you.
Yumi Sabe, Work Blon Mameri Blon Japan.